study. I suppose it's possible it could be quasi-experimental, but it's more likely to be. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't understand how this thing is working. I had a class in here yesterday and there was no wasp.
That's because, yeah, hold on just a second. And jump up and move if you need to. I just want to pause the recording. So, I just think I will explain to the students online who are probably wondering what the heck is going on, that we've been under wasp attack for 2 days now. And Tuesday's wasp was apparently killed by another class, and now we have a new one, which makes me wonder if somewhere maybe up in the ceiling that there isn't a nest that is producing this. So right now we're going to try to continue, but if there are abrupt starts and stops to our discussion, it's because the wasp is after us. And we can still learn something. It's just going to be harder and longer than if we had an experimental option. But that's not a reason to give up, just because it might be harder and longer. Now, one of the things that you're going to be doing at some point during the semester is some graphing. And okay, let me just, our help is here.
Wasp killers here.
Yes, so I'm going to pause my recording and then we'll show you where it is. Yes, so we have a group of, we're back, and we have a group of wasps that went to study psychology. And so the wasp is hiding and did not emerge when our maintenance person arrived with the giant wasp killing can of insecticide. So we may have to, if he comes back, we're going to have to pause again. But we'll hope that that's been solved. But your score on the, if you've done the little online academic integrity quiz, you got a score. Well, actually they didn't show you the score, they just said you passed or you didn't pass. I mean, they showed you which ones you got correct, but they didn't give you a score. So, but let's say you added up your points, you would have a score out of 10 or 15 items. That is continuous, because we can have scores from 0 correct to, let's say, 15 correct. Oh, okay. Okay, our friend the wasp is back.
So basically,
there are a couple assignments I want to go over. Hi, sorry for the interruption, but the wasp did reappear, and one of your classmates killed it, but we can't find the body. And so the maintenance person is waiting outside the room in case friends of the wasp decide to come after it. And they're going to check the room out more carefully later. So that will be your Tuesday attendance. And so if you're here after class on Tuesday, then I will enter the full 2.5 points. If you're doing this online, I'll see whether or not you viewed today's video. And then I submit, and
I found the wasp.
Okay. Yes. Let's see if he's out here. Okay, we got another one.
Wait, where is it?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's a good
It's
thing
on
he's staying there.
the window pull thingy.
Oh, right there.
Yep, right next to my head.
Yeah, kill it, Justin.
Can we get a different classroom?
He's got something that will kill him.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, let me find out what they say about,
I don't want to be here.
right. Well, it's not just us, it's everybody who's in this classroom. Let me see.
Yeah, and I have this classroom 3 times.
And I will,
I don't want to be here.
so this gives them,
Maybe a nested one there.
hmm,
Like in the window, because maybe they're like the wood wasp or whatever. Just the wood. Is that another one on that back wall?
oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I don't want to be here.
Back in the corner there.
Okay.
The recording's still going.
Yes, it is. And I actually thought, well, first of all, it was pretty close to me, and I thought I better get our helper to come in, but then I
So now
thought,
where's the one that was on the floor now? Because
well, could that have been, do you think that might have been the one on the floor? Could it
that
have?
one looked unharmed.
Ah,
I don't
okay,
think so.
okay. Yeah, I know.
I actually wouldn't be surprised if it's like a wood wasp.
I mean, I can edit the video. I didn't know how amusing it might be for the, so the students online feel like they're really with us, you know, while this is going on. But I think I think it's safe for me to come over and pause it. Of course, now I'm in the situation where what do I feel on my leg, right? All right, that's psychological. All right, so we saw how this would work, right? And it's okay to follow the formula. In fact, we prefer you would do it. It's like learning another language, and we prefer that you use the proper grammar for the language you're learning.
Oh, there's a wasp.
Okay. All right, so where to go? Okay, so I think maybe we should stop.
Yeah.
All right, so I think I got through just about everything that I need.